A welcoming front porch beckons you to this sun-filled home in a sought-after neighborhood of historic Concord, Massachusetts. The beautiful fenced-in backyard can be viewed from practically every room, offering visions of natural beauty. This idyllic setting has a spacious patio that runs along the backside of the house, with a fire pit area for those chilly nights and a pergola to escape a warm summer day, providing the idyllic seasonal escape. Inside, the well-thought-out floor plan has an open, airy feeling with well-defined living spaces. A formal fireplace living room opens to a formal dining room with French doors, which leads to the patio. The family room boasts cathedral ceilings and is anchored by a sparkling Palladian window, offering an abundance of natural light leading to a dining area and the kitchen with granite countertops. A half bath and laundry room with access to the two-car garage complete the first level. The hospitality of this home extends to the second level, where you'll find the master suite featuring a separate sitting room, a walk-in closet, and a nicely appointed bathroom. Good-sized bedrooms with hardwood floors and a family bath round out this level. This meticulously maintained home with a park-like setting is just steps to the Willard School, the Concord Middle School, White's Pond, and Verrill Farm. Perfect for any lifestyle. Concord, Massachusetts is known for the Battle of Lexington and Concord, which was the first conflict in the American Revolutionary War, which took place at the North Bridge. Today, Concord is a vibrant residential community with thriving commercial centers, farms, and residential homes. However, the residents are dedicated to the preservation of historic sites and points of interest, as well as the environmental integrity of those sites.